Okay, today's project, hopefully a simple one. We're gonna check and replace the anode rod in my hot water tank.
A round of applause for this inanimate carbon rod.
Now I've had this trailer for, I don't know, 5 years or so, and I've never ever checked or replaced that rod.
You suck!
Yes, it's true. So we're gonna do that here today. I've actually ordered a kit that comes with 2 rods, the sprayer fitting that you can put on the hose to put inside the tank to clean it all out. So I'm sure that should probably be a gunky, probably a crappy experience, but it needs to be done. My prediction?
Prediction?
Yes, prediction.
Pain.
Here we go. All right, so you got to find where your hot water tank is on your trailer. On mine, it's on the passenger side, kind of underneath the stairs. And there it is, right at the bottom. Looks like a big bolt. Matter of fact, I had to go to the store and get a socket that would fit it, 1 1/16". And I put it on this breaker bar. I only did that because it was a 1/2-inch drive. You don't need that much force. You can use a regular ratchet. And then it's just lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And make sure you switch that down so you release the water pressure. Or actually flip it up. And then there it goes, just dumping out the water at the bottom once you get it out. Again, you want that release valve switch so that the air will flow through. That is what a new one is supposed to look like. This is what the old one looks like coming out. Well, you think that's ever been replaced? And you just put some thread tape on it, and but before you put the new one in, you got to make sure you flush it out. This tool here has this kit comes with a flushing tool, so you clean out all the white debris and all that milky nonsense that's in there that built up. Kind of disgusting that we were showering with this stuff all in there. And then you just keep working it, and it'll slowly turn from this kind of milky color to clear. There you go, getting clear now. So when all that's done, you just put the new rod in there. Again, righty-tighty. And remember, it doesn't take a lot of force, even though I have this breaker bar, just get it snug. So you leave the valve open so that when you fill up the water, it will vent. The air will escape and replace the water inside. You can actually hear it coming out. mess. Look at all that stuff on the ground. All that junk. So I went down and got that new socket. Turns out it comes with a tool you can put on there and then use a crescent wrench or whatever to get it out. That's awesome. Okay, I guess that wasn't that bad. I guess it could have been a lot worse. Just take it from me, guys. Make sure you periodically check your rods. You don't want any gunk building up on those things.
I don't think this is the time for that type of humor.
Anyway, with that being said, learned something from this. Hope you guys do too. Look forward to seeing you guys out on the road. Peace.
Hey, what is that? It's an inanimate carbon rod!